is up, trappers? Check it out. We are here in the trap shack, but I'm not showing you anything in here today, guys. What I'm going to show you is out here. Check this out. You can see the mini truck is lit up blue out here. It's out here stunting on the Blazer, man. But look, oh yeah, we're doing it, guys. We're lighting up the Blazer. We got the stereo in. We're going to do some inside lights, and then I think it'll be on to detailing and doing some inside work. Maybe a few things on the outside of that are to come. But this is sitting here stunting on the Blazer, so the Blazer needs some flavor, guys. But anyway, I got it set on white just because it lights up my work area where I'm working. And right now, I'm just going to get you flipped around, and we're going to go out here and check out what I got, guys. All right, trappers. Man, look at it. It's sitting up out here. Got the doors open, showing off, man. Man, I love that blue on this truck. It looks so good. Inside's lit up, guys. I got screen and everything turned off. Yeah, back there's the amps and stuff. Lit up, guys. Definitely lit up. Let's check it out. Ooh wee. That's right. Ice cold, guys. Ice cold. Man, that looks good. This is gonna look real good. Lit up red. Check this out. Let's shut this door, guys, so we can look down the side of it. There we go. I got the work light on under here. I'll show you that, guys, in a second. Let's check this out. See this? Man, that looks good. Heck yeah, trappers. Looks good. It's stunting on it. But alright, this is what we got going on over here. You can see they're just laying on the ground. I kind of just have them rough ran to make sure they're going to fit. We went ahead and we powered them in here to the battery. You can see I have the box sitting, and this is just kind of laying in here for right now. So we're gonna get all this tucked away and get it tidied up. But we're definitely gonna have some red on here, guys. Definitely gonna have some red. Man, that work light is bright. I think here I'm gonna kill this work light. You can see my creeper. It says 300-pound capacity on it, so I call it my 300-pound creeper. But I need my phone to switch these lights because I don't have the tablet right here with me, guys. So I think I'm gonna flip these lights on red and get it lit up out here with red, and we'll be right back, and I'll let you check that out. All right, trappers, there we go. We got them turned on red. Kind of give you an idea of what it's gonna look like here. Man, it's bright red too. It looked good on this truck for sure, for sure. Killed the work light. Yeah, guys, this is gonna look real good, trappers. Definitely so. We got the front of the mini truck lifted up. We got the air in it, so that way the light comes out a little further. There we go, guys. Check it out. This could look real good. I'm real happy. That's for sure. We're gonna get this on, get it finished up, and we'll get a video and get a clip of what it looks like all finished up. That's for sure, guys. Man, it looks good. Looks good. I love it. Oh yeah. All right, guys. We will see you here in just a little bit with the next clip of this finished up. Keep on trapping, guys. What is up, guys? Check this out. We are back. I'm out here hanging out in the trap shack, taking a break for a minute. Man, look at that. My hands are dirty. I've been in it. But anyway, the Blazer is done. They're both sitting in the driveway. This is cool as heck, guys. You guys got to check this out. So we're going to get you flipped around so you can see this. We're going to walk around them. I did turn the lights off, and the headlights off in the mini truck. It sat out there for a while. I turned it on, let it run, so that way the battery's not dying. But the headlights are off on it, but the underglow's on. But anyway, check this out, guys. This is cool. Alright, trappers, here it is. There's the Blazer lit up red. Check it out, man. I am loving it, guys. Nice and bright red. I think we have a storm brewing on the way. It's kind of windy out here, guys, so hopefully it's not too bad in the mic. We've been out here in a lot worse wind. Yeah, The Blazer is lit, guys. It's got a sound. It's got some of its light. And this thing ain't showing it up constantly. Man, that blue looks sick on that truck. I don't know what it is about that. It just glows, man. That is awesome. Man. And it's got some throw. That light's shining out on the Blazer. You know that's red. Man, check it out. There it is, guys. We're going to get this lit up real soon, too. I was messing with the fog lights while I was down there earlier, too. Yeah, Chevy gang all day. Man, they're bright, bright. And there it is. You can see it. Extreme. It's the 4.3 L53. Man, it's so quiet out here right now, guys. It's nice. And the weather is beautiful today, man. I was so blessed. We had so many people here stop by and see us today. It's great. And you know, I like seeing everybody. Everybody was out. Jonathan, he was here. Josh, he's here. Man, I like Chris. He come by. Aaron was here. Man, I think there's some more people who come too. Like, it was packed for a long time, man. We had a lot of visitors. I really like everybody that comes, hangs out, and you know, we always have a good time. And, you know, I want to give a shout out to the fans. Thank everybody. You know, without you guys, we wouldn't be doing this. So the fans, everybody who watches, all the viewers, all the trappers, I don't really like calling fans, man. Look at that blue. Man, just ice cold blue. But I don't like calling people fans. That's like I'm a celebrity or something. And it's not me, man. Everybody's here to see the cars. So everybody's trappers. So I appreciate all the trappers. Always, always, always. Alright, guys. That's what it is for the night. You know, you'll see a lot more of this. Ooh, there's the wind pickup. You know, you'll see a lot more of these in the time to come. The summer is still early, so lots of videos of this. By the end of the summer, y'all be sick of seeing it. But that's what it is, guys. I'm about ready to put this up and be done for the night. Man, we're gonna have a lot of fun. I really think so. Alright, guys, keep on trapping. We'll see y'all in the next clip.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.